Hey, it's Betty Penny, and I'm here with a giveaway announcement and an Etsy sale in my shop announcement. So the giveaway, let's start there. That's really fun. So I have made 4 cards and 4 videos. The first one's like 10 minutes long. The others are seriously like 3 to 5 minutes. It'll be quick. But the deal is, you leave a comment, you subscribe to my channel, you live in the US, you're entered into a giveaway to win those 4 cards. I wanted to do something for my YouTube subscribers. So I'm also having a sale in my Etsy shop. So I'm only have my card kits on sale right now, and my Halloween card kits. This is the stock that I have left. So I'm going to kind of just show you those real quick and let you see what I've got. So let's start with the Alice. These are like spooky Alice and kits, and I have a video showing like some items that I had made with them. That's a screenshot there showing you. But of course you could make lots of things with these. And then I have a sugar skull set as well, and in the same video I made a card using those. And then I have this Day of the Dead set, which is my personal favorite. I have 3 of those left. So here's my Betty Penny shop. I just wanted to show you real quick. Those 3 kits are at the top of the shop right now, and they are all 15% off. And they're super affordable, a fun way to craft for Halloween and not spend a lot of cash. These are the other items I had in my shop. I just wanted to kind of give you a quick overview from the restock I had last weekend. This is everything left. I'm about to add some more stuff because I'm going to have a huge giveaway on September 25th. I can't wait to tell you more about that. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Hop over to Etsy if you want to pick something up. Bye.